For transition work in Xmotion, start by defining the editorial role. Decide what the transition needs to achieve between two shots or image states. Upload the images from the computer. Keep in mind, the first frame will transition into the second one. Find the right model, aspect ratio, duration, resolution, and audio. Then, create the transition directly inside the panel, using a prompt focused on continuity, motion, and energy. The clearer the purpose, the better the result. Once it's generated, review the options in the panel library, pick the version that fits your sequence, and place it directly onto your timeline.